Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys talkback full setting. Friends, you want to on talkback, you want to use talkback on your lava phone. So how to on and use talkback setting. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, you will have to click on accessibility setting. Friends, where is accessibility setting on lava phone? So friends, you can find your accessibility setting on your intelligent assistant setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you can on here smart answer, three finger screenshot, left to wake. Friends, one handed mode you want to use, so you can on from here. Friends, the last option accessibility. Friends, click here. Friends, you can see select to speak and talk back is here. So guys, we will on talk back, and guys we will on talk back from here. Allow here. Guys, talk back will on your lava phone. Friends, you want to back. Friends, click on one tap back button, and friends continue to tap. Friends, then you can back. One tap guys, you cannot back. So a double tap here, one tap and double tap here. And friends, you want to close any app. Friends, click on your close app button, double tap, and guys use your two finger because with one finger you cannot close app. So with double tap or use your two finger to scroll because with one finger you cannot swipe here. You can see. So guys, two finger we can swipe. Friends, you want to use any app, so you will have to double tap. Friends, one tap example YouTube, and guys continue to tap because with one tap we cannot on YouTube app. Double tap continue, and friends we can use YouTube app, and we can use it. So a person guys who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they cannot see. So guys they listen app sound example like file, and guys they double click on file to on. So like that guys they use talkback setting. So as you want to close app, two finger guys we can close app, one finger we cannot close. Two finger close app. Friends, scroll it, and guys now you want to off talkback. How to off? One tap on phone setting friends and double tap here. Again scroll friends your two finger. Friends, click on assistant setting. Double tap here. Friends, again scroll. Last accessibility setting, one tap, double tap here. Talkback, double tap here. Use talkback friends, one tap and double tap here. Stop, double tap here. Talkback off. Friends, your talkback will off on your lava phone device, and friends you can use guys your lava phone without any talkback. You can on any setting with one finger and you can off it. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting on lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.